How to fix Windows 11 keyboard keys not working. Let's get started. Open Settings and navigate to the Accessibility section. Now here, you're gonna find the option Keyboard. Under that, you're gonna find List of Option. Head over to the option On-Screen Keyboard and enable for it. This will let you continue using your PC temporarily while fixing the physical keyboard. Next, go to the search bar, type Run and open it. Or you can directly search for Registry Editor. Launch it. In the Registry Editor, expand the folders in the exact order. HKey Local Machine. Now navigate to the option System. Under System, head over to the option Current Control Set. Then navigate to the option Services. And finally, click on the option i8042PRT. Now under this folder, you're gonna find the option Start. Select Modify and change the value data to 1. Click OK to save the changes. This tells Windows to re-enable the keyboard driver on startup. That's it. Give a restart to your PC and you'll be good to go. Your keyboard should be working again. And that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.